Our D correction of 1.0 would need to be applied to 3 degrees 39.3. We'll go into the tables at the back to find what that represents for 58 minutes past, and just be aware that because it's increasing to the next hour, we're going to be adding whatever value we find onto that. And at 58, as we saw before, that 1.0 D correction gives us 1.0. Which means we've got south 3 degrees 40.3. There were some observant people when going through this that were a little confused by the fact that if you go to 1400, the declination is actually south 3 degrees 40.2. So strictly speaking, we could cap this declination at 40.2, because what we've done is, even though it's 1358, we've tried to give it a slightly higher declination value than it is actually there for the next hour. So some of you might have worked through with 40.3, and I can fully understand why you've done that. It's just worth bearing in mind that if you do happen to notice that the next hour's declination is lower, or basically means that your declination value actually puts you beyond the next hour, you can cap it so that that declination, that decorrection doesn't give you an illogical value. To be perfectly honest with you, I hadn't realised when I put this exam together that that's what had happened. So nobody's perfect, except you will be next Wednesday, obviously.
But if you apply the decorrection properly and get the 40.3, you won't get marked down. Because it's high.
No, although I think I should probably give some extra credit for people who saw it, but it is something that you need to be aware of.
Now you've told us, do we have to work to that lower cap figure?
I think it's definitely, now that it's come up, because obviously within, I'll just stop this.